Performing an oil change on the Ninja 500. First, warm up the oil a bit. It's going to be loud.
5 minutes later.
Put the bike up on its stand. What the hell? Make sure the bike is nice and sturdy before you start to work. Next, place your oil pan. To help the oil drain, break loose this fill plug. Just a little bit to let the air go in. Release the drain plug. You get all that gushy factory oil. Blech. Next, we'll have to undo the oil filter. Sometimes you can do it by hand. Others, you might need a wrench. This will be a time for a wrench. This is not a traditional oil filter wrench, but it'll do the job. That is crazy on there. Oh. The second time I touched the exhaust. Oh no. What is going on? Burned myself again. Damn it. What is happening? Replace the drain plug if you haven't already. You can buy a new crusher washer to go on the plug. But I'm going to reuse the same one. That guy is really flipping on there. There we go. Remove the marred old filter. While that drains, let's prep the new oil filter. We're removing the oil filter from its case. Box? Yes. Open your oil. Oh wow, it has a spout on it. Is that supposed to be red? I've never seen red oil. Apparently motorcycle oil can be red. This is a first for me. All right, so we want to make sure to fill oil filter. Don't overfill it to the threads. And then we'll take a little bit of that and dab it on the gasket. Give that a second to soak. And then we'll install the filter. Try your very best not to cross thread it. Do not force it if it doesn't want to go. Just take your time, back it out if you need to, and then make sure it's nice and snug. Next, you want to get your torque wrench. You want to tighten the drain bolt to about 22 foot-pounds. Next, we want to grab our funnel. I hope this fits. Oh, damn. Well, that's unfortunate. So yeah, unfortunately, I do not have a funnel to match this well over here. So we're gonna participate in some sketchy activity and see if we can get this to work for us. When filling, you want to keep an eye on this little window right here. There's a little notch up here. That's the fill line. The notch down here is below fill. So you want to make sure to catch it somewhere in the middle here. All right, now to pour this oil in the most sketchy way possible. Hoping we don't make a mess. Just gotta be nice and easy. Letting the window go down. And we continue more. I believe this thing takes 2 quarts. All right, now we're gonna give her an old start and hopefully this stays at that level. So the oil is kind of on the low side. So what I'm probably going to do is buy another bottle. Just enough to top it off. But I think this will do for now. And that is changing the oil on the Ninja 500.